Several theories have been proposed to explain why Mars, a planet once thought to be capable of sustaining life, died while Earth thrived. Some believe that the key differences between the two planets lie in their atmospheres and magnetic fields. One theory suggests that a catastrophic event, such as a massive impact from an asteroid or comet, stripped Mars of its protective magnetic field. Without a magnetic field, solar wind and other charged particles from space were able to penetrate the planet's atmosphere and strip away its atmosphere over time. This process, known as atmospheric escape, left Mars with a thin and inhospitable atmosphere that could no longer support life. Another theory points to the fact that Mars is significantly smaller than Earth, which could have contributed to its demise. Because Mars has a smaller mass, it cannot generate and maintain a strong magnetic field like that of Earth. This made it more susceptible to atmospheric escape and the depletion of its atmosphere. Additionally, scientists have discovered that Mars lacks the natural processes that help regulate atmospheric carbon dioxide levels on Earth. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas that traps heat and regulates the planet's temperature. On Earth, carbon dioxide is absorbed into the oceans and trapped in rocks, helping to keep atmospheric levels stable. Mars does not have these processes, so when carbon dioxide levels rose on the planet, it led to a runaway greenhouse effect that further stripped the planet of its atmosphere. Hey guys! I came here in the middle of the video, asking you to leave your like, subscribe to the channel, because there is a lot of special content every day. Keep watching. Despite these challenges, some scientists believe that Mars could be re-terraformed and turned into a habitable planet in the future. There are several proposals to do this, including building artificial magnetic fields or genetically engineering plants that can thrive in a carbon dioxide-rich environment. Ultimately, the demise of Mars and the survival of Earth are likely the result of a combination of factors, including the size of the planets, their magnetic fields, and atmospheric processes. Understanding these differences may help us learn more about what is necessary for a planet to sustain life and could inform our search for other habitable worlds in the universe. Furthermore, as scientists continue to study both planets, they are discovering more differences between Earth and Mars. One significant difference is the presence of water. Although evidence of water has been found on Mars, it exists mostly in the form of ice and frozen in its polar regions. On the other hand, Earth has abundant liquid water, which is critical for supporting life. Water is essential for many processes on Earth, such as photosynthesis and regulating the planet's temperature. It also plays a critical role in the water cycle, which allows water to travel from the ocean to the atmosphere and back again, ensuring a steady supply of fresh water. Additionally, Earth has a thicker atmosphere than Mars. The atmosphere protects the planet from ultraviolet radiation, which can be harmful to living organisms. The atmosphere also helps to distribute heat evenly around the planet by trapping it close to the surface. This process ensures that Earth's climate remains stable and capable of supporting life. Another difference between the planets is their geological activity. Earth has a dynamic and active interior that drives processes such as plate tectonics and the creation of new land. Mars, however, has a relatively inactive interior, which makes it difficult for the planet to regenerate its surface and support life. Despite these differences, there is still much to be learned about why Mars died and Earth survived. Scientists will continue to study both planets and search for clues about their past and their potential for the future. Understanding what makes Earth hospitable may also help us to protect our planet and make it more sustainable for future generations.